Aloe vera has also been linked to diabetes, ulcers, and a variety of other ailments. Aloe vera is thought to be effective in wound healing. The aloe vera plant is one of the most well-known plants in the world, and its medical benefits are frequently used. It can also be used as a decorative houseplant. Aloe is a small, lily-like, green, and sometimes spiky plant. In a stunning rosette display, it produces roughly 25 succulent, gray-green leaves. Aloe vera is almost primarily used as a digestive aid and laxative in Europe. It can reach a height of 2 feet. The best time to start growing this plant is in the spring, either from seed or from mature plant shoots or leaves. Aloe vera is not harvested in the same way that other herbs are. Aloe vera has numerous advantages. Aloe vera has been utilized for both internal and external healing. It works as a laxative and speeds up the healing of a variety of skin problems, including ulcers, burns, hives, and poison ivy. Although aloe latex is an excellent laxative, it is not commonly used for this purpose because it can produce unpleasant cramping. Aloe vera has been used as an immunostimulant to help cats and dogs fight cancer. Several patients have died as a result of aloe vera extract injections used to treat cancer. Cascara sagrada and senna are two milder herbal laxatives that are frequently advised first. Acne, eczema, arthritis, and oily skin can all be treated with aloe vera. Squeeze the juice into the inflamed area and gently massage it in. Aloe vera is an excellent ingredient for skincare products since it softens and moisturizes. Place a fresh leaf immediately on the wound to help with pain relief. Over the first 24 hours, apply extra fresh aloe vera as needed. Aloe can be found in a variety of commercial items, including pills, sprays, ointments, lotions, beverages, drinks, jellies, and creams, to mention a few. When taken in moderation, aloe is safe, however there are some contraindications. If you have a heart condition and are using digitalis, talk to your doctor before taking any aloe products internally, as the combination could induce an erratic heartbeat. Internal use of aloe vera should be avoided. Aloe vera can induce digestive pain if ingested. Aloe vera can make your skin dry. If this is an issue, apply a moisturizer in addition to the aloe vera. Vitamin E is also beneficial to dry skin. Pregnant women should avoid aloe vera since it can cause uterine contractions. Internal aloe vera should not be administered to children.